Thank you so much, Vanessa, for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Being with us today. So as you can see, it looks really, really natural, but it's quite glamorous. So you definitely have a client who has her mic in her video and is gonna need to cut. Hello, beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. If this isn't your first time with us, thank you for coming back. And if it is your first time, well, thank you for being here. We're so excited to have you. As you notice, I've switched up the format just a little bit today. I have a gorgeous, gorgeous girl with me, La Belle Noire, Vanessa.
Merci.
Thank you so much for being here.
No problem.
Me and you met in Montreal as we were shooting together. I think that's how we met.
That's how we met, yes.
So Vanessa is a photographer, and I'll make sure to leave her details down below if you want to go see her work. She really, really captures Black beauty in a way that I absolutely love. Definitely check her out. I wanted to do a tutorial with her today initially. You guys love tutorials and I love creating them for you. However, when she got here, I felt like switching it up just a little bit. I have been bad again. I like to shop, always online. And I bought myself a few lashes. I wound up making a purchase with Tati Beauty. They're a UK-based brand and they sell luxury mink and faux mink eyelashes. I wanted to try them out because my lashes have been the same for years. We're both Virgos, by the way. We share a birthday.
Yeah,
so
same day.
Same day. We like to have things a certain way, and I feel like that's what is awesome about Virgos, but at the same time, we can get stuck in little ruts sometimes. I wanted to just switch things up for my lashes. And so today I wanted to unbox them with you and with Vanessa, and then she's going to pick a pair that she wants to try, and I'm going to teach you at home how to apply lashes on your own. Let's get started. Okay,
Okay, that's fancy.
see how they packed them so well?
Wow.
They kept them all together.
Okay.
The first thing I want to say is they're packaged so well. This was a vacuum sealed bag, and then once you get the lash from out of that bag, you have them wrapped again individually. Now the bag, this one that I received it in, was in a shipping bag. For it to go from the UK to here, I just know that that's why it got here in perfect shape. I also have to mention they have fantastic customer service. My package wound up getting stuck at customs, and then it got stuck again in Montreal because they hadn't communicated with the customs. And so that's a customs and Canadian shipping issue. It was between FedEx and customs. Now, Tati Lash's customer service actually took care of making all the calls for me to get my package released to me, and then like tracking it for me every step of the way, which I thought was really cool because that wasn't their mess up at all.
Yeah, it is cool.
So I appreciated that. So the first pair of lashes that I got are extremely intense.
That might be a little intense for me, but like,
Yeah.
I could see someone
Rocking that, right? Like a showgirl or something. I work with a lot of artists now, so maybe one of those ladies are gonna want to try it. If not me, when I'm being extra. I just want to film. So this is a 3D luxury mink, and it's called TL3. It's extremely intense. Then I have the TL24. I purchased the TL Jamie 2.
It's very like curvy.
Yeah, I would see you wearing this, but I wouldn't see you picking this.
Open to try, to be honest. Like, I could try, like, you have all directions.
So the ones that Vanessa's looking at are called Cali Vibe, and they're just a classic lash, but just way more voluminous. I find this one cute. I think I'm gonna use that one on brides a lot. And then there's Faux Me.
I also like that.
Drama, right?
Yeah.
It's just so, they're so fun and flirty and intense. Let's go to the second bag.
Ooh.
So these are the individual Tati lashes. They have little clusters, and you stick them to each one of your lashes, sort of like you would do a lash application. You can create whichever ones you want. And I love that these guys have 4 sizes. So you can create the eye shape you want. You seem to like this.
I love it.
Okay, I'm gonna keep this in mind. And I got 2 packs of each because I'm a makeup artist. So when we buy things, we need 2 of them. These are the ones that have 4 sizes. The package is just a little damaged, but the lashes aren't. So Tati, I'm not holding you accountable. You got this to me all the way from the UK. I'm okay with just a little tiny tear, it's fine. And they give you 40 clusters, so that's enough to create a whole look. These were the ones, last but not least, that I was most excited about. These clusters, if you want to look at one,
Yeah.
they're basically 8 mm's, 10 millimeters, 12 millimeters, and 14. And they are so flirty. They really make me think of the Sweet Lashes by Nikki. So that was it for my purchases from Tati. I am really, really happy so far. I'm just gonna have to play with them. Vanessa, which ones would you like to try?
I would like to try this one.
Yeah, I knew you were gonna go for individual. I could just feel your energy shift the minute I took them out of the package. You're like, oh.
Well, because it looks like more minimalistic and very, I don't know, like supernatural too.
Okay, we can try these. Look at her skin, guys. I did her makeup just before. Doesn't she just have the most perfect melanin?
She did such a great job, guys. Like, very, like, natural look. I'm super happy.
Okay, so we're gonna try these lashes and we will be right back.
So your workstation is very important when you're gonna be trying to apply lashes. So what I like to do is place a mirror under me, just so I can see all the way inside my nostrils. I know, weird tip, but it works for me. If I can see in my nose, then I know my mirror is positioned correctly. So I'm grabbing my Tati lashes individuals au naturel. These have 8 millimeters, 10, 12, and 14s. And the first thing you want to do is get them out of the pack. Now I'm using some flat tweezers to do just that. And I'm removing from the base very slowly, very, very carefully, because they are just a little fragile. And then just dip them in the glue. You want to make sure that the bottom as well as the under part of the lash is nice and covered with glue, but make sure you don't put too much. I am so sorry for my ashy hands, y'all. I am just so sorry. Once that's done, you want to look down and just push your lashes down using the falsies, pushing your real lashes down. And then you use your finger or any tool you can to just push the lashes down. Just wiggling them right onto that lash line. The false eyelashes sort of look like they're replacing your real lashes, and that's gonna make everything easier to blend. You can never push too low. You wanna let this dry. If you're using black glue, it'll come on gray and dry black, so make sure it looks completely black. If you're using transparent glue, it'll go on white, and you wanna make sure you can no longer see any pieces of white glue. And then I'm going to grab some Chanel waterproof mascara and then just get to the very root of the lash, and using zigzag motions really get in there to blend my falsies with my natural lashes. This also helps create volume. Don't be afraid to like pull your eye up and really get to the root and work your way into the lash. I was using a mascara for Noir and only used by Noir, so you know. This is such a strange technique. Make sure you practice. Use your mirror. Make sure you do it on a day where you don't have anything to do. You don't have anywhere else to be, just so you're comfortable. So when you do have a special occasion, you're ready to apply your lashes and you feel comfortable with the technique. And there you have it.
Thank you for being here, Vanessa. Thank you for having me. As you can see, the result is really, really natural. I did not think much of these lashes when I ordered them. I hadn't played with this specific type of individual lash cluster yet, but I'm really, really pleased with the results. I'm going to be listing every single product that I used on Vanessa in the description box below, especially the lipstick, because I think she likes it.
I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm going to get it like as soon as I leave.
We went ahead and created her nude for her specific skin tone. I feel, and I've talked about this before on the channel, but as a Black woman, we are often ignored by the industry still to this day. So I think it's important to create your own custom nude for you that you can wear every day that goes according to your skin tone. If that's a tutorial you'd be interested in, please let me know in the comment section, because I would love to create that type of content, how to pick your nude, how to create your nude for your own skin tone. I think it's very important that we have access, because your confidence changed the minute you saw your lips. I could see you were just looking at yourself and feeling yourself in the mirror, and that's what we love to see. Just Black women feeling confident. It's very important to me, and it's very important to you too. So let me know if you want to learn how to create your own nude. As always, if you like this content, please like, please share, and please subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of the family. And stay tuned for my next haul, tutorial, day in my life. Who knows? Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Bye.